This is the Gleason's new standard map of the world. It's flat Earth. What you're looking at right here is the Antarctic Circle. That's what you're looking at. That's the ice. That's the ice wall. Okay? Everything in here is the Earth as you know it. But this is the true Earth. Greenland is this big, not as big as Brazil. So these are the continents. Antarctica, by the way, is not a continent. You got South America. You got North America, which consists of US and Canada. You got Africa. Look how much bigger Africa is than America. Europe is considered a continent, but it's really Eurasia. It's Europe, Russia, and China. Okay, you got Australia out here, and you got New Zealand out here, which is Oceania. So, believe it or not, this is the map they use in the UN. The exact same map. But they want you to believe in a globe, but they're using the flat Earth map. Okay? Look how tiny Greenland is. But if you pull up another map, it's ginormous. Look how big Brazil is. That's Brazil. Brazil is bigger than the whole United States. Look how humongous Africa is. As a matter of fact, Africa is the biggest continent. It's even bigger than Russia. But on the globe map, Russia is larger than Africa. So in other words, all the continents that's white, they draw them larger. Like this, even this. Europe. This is Europe. Look how tiny Europe is. No wonder they're trying to go out and take every land that they come across. Here, Australia, the Americas, North and South. Colonize that. Oh, let's go down to Africa. See, can we take that? You know what? It's too hot. Let's just send somebody down here in South Africa. The Dutch down there still. There go India right there. India. This is the real map of the Earth. This is the map they use in the UN. And this is the ice wall. Can you get across that? Probably not. Because this is an etheric field that guards this from what's on the other side and what's on the other side from here. You can't get past that. It's energy. It's no way you can do it. As you can see, Elon Musk keeps shooting rockets up into the dome that's above all of this. And he can't break through that. You can't break through it up, and you can't go through it through here. The only way you can get through this is your energy has to vibrate higher, like what's on the other side. This is low vibration over here. Energy is higher on this side. If you're vibrating low, you can't get through that. Some say when you walk across this, you may even end back up where you started from. Believe it or not, hey, but people are starting to say that. But it's definitely an etheric feel around this. And that's where domes cover all of this. It covers this right here. Okay, let's talk time zones. Okay, this right here is like one big, huge watch or clock. But instead of 12 hours, you have 24 hours. Just think of it as military time. You got the 12 hours AM, 12 hours PM. So check this out. 1, 2, 3, Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it starts all over again till you get to 24 hours. This space right here constitutes 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Out here, the sun have to move a lot faster to cover this span in 1 hour. As you can see, this space right here is about as wide as the United States. You understand? But if you look here, 1, 2, 3. 3 time zones within the United States. So the sun have to move very slow within this hour right here. This hour here, this hour here. But out here, it has to make up this time 3 hours in 1 hour. You understand what I'm saying? So when the sun's out here, it's speeding up so it can move around this whole thing in 24 hours. And once it starts coming in, it starts slowing down. So it can come in 24 hours, it starts slowing down. As it's coming in now, remember it's rising, it's getting higher in the sky to get right here. In the Tropic of what? Cancer. Right there. See that? I mean, it's high in the sky right there. And then once it moves out, it starts, like I said before, it starts lowering itself. Then it starts slowing down till it goes all the way out until it ends up way back out here in the Tropic of Capricorn. So I'm right here in Georgia, right here. I do a lot of flying to Nigeria, and I have family over there. So from here to here is about 5 to 6 hours. They are 6 hours ahead of East Coast time. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See that? Nigeria is right there. So they are, when it's about 3 p.m. here, it's 9 p.m. here. And just like here, when it's 3 p.m. here, it's 12 noon in LA. See that? 1, 2, 3. 3 hours back. So this is one big huge clock, 24 hours. And your sun, like I said, it's something else. When it's way out here, it's moving real low. It has to be low because you remember the dome is like this. It's curved. So the sun can't be high at the edge of the dome. It have to lower itself. And then as it comes in, it starts getting higher. It's at its highest point right there, right over the North Pole. And the sun, as you can see, the summer solstice, the sun is way out here. In Capricorn. So Capricorn is way out here. It's way out here near the ice wall. So around the winter solstice, the sun is setting low and it's way out here. That's why the sun appears big and low in the sky here in the United States, because it's out here. And when the sun is out here, you get 16 hours at night and 8 hours of daylight. So the night is twice the day. So when after December the 23rd, the winter solstice, the sun starts spiraling in towards the center, and it starts lifting up high. See, it's down low, then when it spirals, it lifts up higher. So once it get to here, this is the equator. Once it get around here, you have equal daylight. See the equator right there? Once the sun moves from here to here, you have equal daylight and equal nightlight. 12 hours of daylight, 12 hours of night. Did I say nightlight? 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of night. And then it moves on into the Tropic of Cancer, which is near the North Pole. So once it get there on the June solstice, as you can see, boom, it's at Cancer. Once it get there, you see that? You have 24 hours of sunlight. That's the sunlight right there in the white. 24 hours. It just keep going around just like that. That's why when it's way down here, you have no daylight at the North Pole, none at all. In the wintertime, it's no daylight. But in the summertime, the sun never sets. So this is the real map of the Earth right here. You're being lied to, okay? It's the Gleason map, it's new standard. This is the map that pilots use. So get with the program.